Hello friends, welcome to Random. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic that has been at the center of global debates, illegal immigration. Specifically, we will be exploring the top 10 destinations where illegal immigrants tend to flock. But before we delve into that, let's take a moment to acknowledge the recent Greece boat tragedy which claimed the lives of many innocent individuals seeking a better life.
It's believed some 700 people were on board the boat sinking off the coast of Greece. Tonight, the images coming in of rescues, those migrants being pulled from the water, swimming with no life vest to survive. Hundreds still missing at this hour. Here's ABC's Marcus Moore.
Tonight, the urgent rescue operation after the deadliest shipwreck off Greece in nearly a decade. A Navy helicopter lifting a survivor to safety. More than 100 rescued from this fishing boat that authorities say was packed with nearly 700 migrants when it overturned and sank in the deep waters of the Mediterranean about 50 miles off the coast of Pylos, Greece. Tonight, there are at least 79 dead, with hundreds more still missing. The Greek Coast Guard saying that fishing boat was first spotted midday Tuesday, but those on board refused multiple offers for help, instead continuing their journey from Libya to Italy. Officials say just after 2 o'clock in the morning, the vessel made a series of sharp turns and capsized, sinking in less than 15 minutes, passengers falling into the sea.
The boat carrying an estimated 750 people, primarily from Pakistan, Syria, and Egypt, capsized on June 14, leaving a devastating impact. Our deepest condolences go out to the families and loved ones affected by this heartbreaking incident. Illegally entering from one country to another in search of a better life and opportunities is not a new phenomenon. People around the world risk their lives and lives of their families to embark on these journeys. Now let's delve into the top 10 destinations where the influx of illegal immigrants is prominent. Starting at number 10, Canada has become a popular destination for illegal immigrants with an estimated population of 35,000 to 120,000 undocumented individuals. The country's wide open space, low corruption, high wealth, and abundant opportunities make it an attractive choice. Moving on to number 9, the Philippines has seen an influx of Chinese illegal immigrants with an estimated 100,000 undocumented individuals from China currently residing in the country. This increase can be attributed to new entry procedures that allowed more Chinese tourists. At number 8, South Korea faces illegal immigration primarily from North Korea and other countries like China. It is estimated that around 177,854 illegal immigrants reside in South Korea, accounting for 12% of foreign nationals in the country. Brazil claims the 7th spot on our list with an estimated 700,000 undocumented immigrants living with its borders. The country's booming economy and a more welcoming approach to immigration have attracted many individuals seeking a better life. Moving on to number 6, Malaysia has become one of the top destinations for illegal immigration in Asia. It is estimated that approximately 800,000 undocumented immigrants currently reside in the country, despite efforts to curb illegal immigration through measures such as job restrictions and penalties. Germany takes the 5th spot on our list with an estimated 100,000 to 1 million undocumented immigrants residing within its borders. The country has experienced a significant increase in illegal immigration, particularly between 2012 and 2013. The United Kingdom secured the 4th position with an estimated 550,000 to 950,000 undocumented immigrants among its population of 61 million. This accounts for around 1.4% of the country's total population. Russia, with its vast size and diverse economy, is at number 3. The country is home to an estimated 10 to 12 million undocumented immigrants, far surpassing legal immigration figures. However, it is important to note that illegal immigrants in Russia face strong opposition due to nationalistic sentiments emphasized by the government. India claims the 2nd spot on our list with tens of millions of undocumented immigrants, including a significant number from neighboring Bangladesh. With its immense population and challenges in border control, India has been grappling with the issue of illegal immigration. And finally, at the top of the list, the United States of America, known for its promise of the American dream, the US attracts a significant number of legal and illegal immigrants. It is estimated that there are approximately 10.9 million undocumented immigrants in the US, though this number has been subject to fluctuation in recent years. Illegal immigration continues to be a complex issue driven by various factors such as economic disparity, political instability, and the pursuit of the better life. While some countries strive to address the challenges associated with illegal immigration, the issue remains a pressing concern worldwide. We hope this overview has provided you with valuable insight into the top 10 destinations for illegal immigrants. As always, we encourage open dialogue and constructive discussion surrounding this global issue. That's all for today's video. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future. Remember to stay informed, stay curious, and until next time, take care. Bye.